Hi everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use what3words in the Skateparks project. So the Skateparks project is a UK skatepark directory, and you can see the what3words address for all skateparks in the UK, and also you can search with the what3words address to find the nearest skatepark. So let's see how it works. On a web browser, you go to skateparks.co.uk and you choose the skatepark finder. Now you can see, as described here, you can search by location, postcode, coordinates, or the what3words address. So let's try searching with the what3words address, say filled count soap. So enter the what3words address and click here. Now it's done searching, and you can see below all the skate parks close to this location. So if you just click on anyone and click on the picture, you can be redirected to the page containing information about the skate park. And if you scroll down, you can see the address of the skate park, as well as see the location on the map, as well as the what3words address. So if you click on the what3words address, it redirects you to the what3words map site, and from there you can just copy or share the location or navigate to it easily. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.